I want to be with someone to experience this, you know, I want to experience this together. You know, the perfect home, the perfect family, the situation, the thing was just completely wiped. And here I had to make a choice to continue and to hold my integrity of a choice that I made, even though it goes against everything in that moment that I had capability for. Put in what feels like a corner. Livelihood is taken, or put on a condition, a dangle, or a, you know, like, you need to make a decision. And usually that decision is so pressurized and so pushing you in a state of survival and panic that you're actually not in connection to be making a choice.